Most beautiful, extravagant, Alagbe, ladies and gentlemen, the best actress in the movie industry. Wunmi, Toriola,
atmosphere, and I'm convinced that we are all for positive values. And to my colleagues that are here, Tobi Makunde, Larry Adediwura, I love you guys so much, and it's good to see you here. So,
young girl.